So if you've been using GoHighLevel, this is a massive update that just came out a couple of days ago, but now we're able to make voice calls without having to buy a specific GoHighLevel or a Twilio number. We can use our existing phone numbers, which is insane. And this is the actual announcement from their changelog. You can see on April 11th, you can now make voice calls without buying a phone number using your existing phone. So in this video, I'm going to show you how you can set this up. We're going to do it together live, and now you can actually do this for your clients as well. So if you want to see how it works, you can read through this. I'll put the link in the description, but the idea is that you can basically connect your phone to it. It looks like this. Now it does say that this only works in a sub account that doesn't have a purchased phone number. So you can either delete your phone numbers or you can create a fresh sub account and do this inside of there. But if you have a number, it doesn't show up. I tried it. So I'm going to jump into my GoHighLevel instance here, which is my white label called Hexona Systems. If you don't have GoHighLevel or have any idea what I'm talking about, then you can sign up to Hexona Systems by joining my school community. I've made it specific for people who want to start AI automation agencies using GoHighLevel, but this video is just for any GoHighLevel user. So what you want to do is you want to go into the settings section over here. Then you want to go down to labs right there. And you click on labs. I want you to search outbound. And then here it says outbound calling without buying a phone number. All you have to do is toggle that on. Once it's on, you can go back to your dashboard over here. And then in the top right-hand corner, if you click on this phone icon, now you get a new option. Instead of just asking you to buy a phone number, you have the option to use your existing number, which is awesome. And then what I'm going to do is I'm going to put in my phone number right here. Click on call me to verify. What's going to happen is it's going to give me a phone call.
So, please enter your 6-digit validation code. You have successfully validated your phone number. You may now use 14389797780 for your caller ID on outgoing phone calls. Bye.
All right, so hopefully you heard that. I put in the code that it told me, then it says your caller ID is now verified. And now I can basically use this as an outbound number, which is crazy. So I can do call myself right now, and then directly from the software, it should ring with your phone. And there you go. So now it's working directly from GoHighLevel as an outbound from free. No, I'm not going to do that because it's going to cause a massive echo. But now you get the idea here. So you can basically do calls outbound directly from your number, which is awesome. It did say that you will need to verify. So calling yourself is fine. But if you want to call other people, then you just need to verify your identity because obviously they don't want spam. So make sure you do that. And then you have this set up for outbound voice calling, and you can use it directly from the system. Now, this is just for outbound at the moment. They said they're going to be adding inbound as well at some point. So this is a great step in the first direction because if you have tried to sell GoHighLevel before or anything phone number related, you know that the biggest obstacle that businesses have is that they don't want to use a separate number. A lot of them are very happy with the phone number they've had for the past couple of years. So they just want to keep that number essentially. And this is going to allow us to do that. And if you want updates about everything GoHighLevel and how to use it to actually make money, then I do have a free school community that you can join at school.com/automate. We've got about 46,000 people in here that learn directly from me. I'm a 4-time award-winning GoHighLevel SaaSpreneur. So you can join there. The link will be in the description. You can message me anytime and you'll be informed about any new updates that come related to GoHighLevel. So try this out. Let me know what you think, and I'll see you in the next one.